We spend 30 minutes in bathroom every day. But just because we use a lot of personal care items to make sure we look and feel our best doesn't mean these things should be stored in bathroom. In fact, many of them don't belong there, and some can even affect our health and our looks if kept in a moist and hot environment. So, we at a Bright Side are tempted to remove a bunch of stuff from our bathrooms after doing this research. So, here I am sharing a few items that may do more harm than good if you keep them near your tub. So, please do watch the video till the end. Keeping your soap near the direct steam of your shower can shorten its shelf life. The best way to store your soap is to keep it on a soap dish with holes, then let it dry outside of shower. It's important to clean your brushes regularly and to properly dry them afterwards to avoid bacterial growth. But once you are done washing your brushes, it's better to store them in a dry place. Warm and humid air in the bathroom encourages mold and bacteria to spread on them. Storing your fragrance in a bathroom can destroy their molecular structure and can cause them to sour. To keep them fresh, look for a closet or cupboard outside of the bathroom to store it in. Keeping your used damp towels in the bathroom can be a recipe for grossness. Ideally, you should wash your towels after 3 uses and allow them to dry completely before they are used again. Shower steam and the buildup of humidity can rust the blades, which in turn can damage your skin. Even if you properly clean and dry it off after using it, storing it in a humid bathroom environment will shorten the lifespan of your razor. It's not the best idea to use your phone while on the toilet, and taking your phone into the bathroom isn't safe either. Scrolling through your feed while soaking in the tub may be dangerous. So, better to avoid this habit. Follow these for a good health. And if you like the video, please do like, share, and comment and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.